Hi everyone. Today I'll show you several different ways to create comics. Let's start with the simplest method. On the comic creation page, just enter your story idea directly into the info box, then click generate. Within few moments, LlamaGen.AI will automatically turn your idea into a comic. You can also prepare your characters in advance. Simply go to create character, upload your character image, or define your character details, and save it. Then return to the comic creation page and select the character you just created. When writing your story, simply use the character's name, LlamaGen. AI will automatically use that character throughout the comic to maintain visual consistency. Another popular workflow is using reference images. You can upload character images, background images, and style reference images directly as attachments. Then write your story and briefly explain the purpose of each image. For example, the first image is the character. The second image is the background. The third image is the style reference. Click generate, and the AI will create a comic using all of these references. If your assets are stored in Google Drive, you don't need to download them first. Simply click the Google Drive button and import your character images, backgrounds, or style references directly from Drive. After importing your assets, enter your story and generate your comic as usual. You can also create comics from existing stories. If your story is already published on a public website, simply copy and paste the URL into the input box. Then enter. Turn the story into a comic. Click Generate and LlamaGen. AI will read the content and convert it into a comic automatically. Similarly, if your story is saved as a document in Google Drive, you can import the document directly from Drive. After selecting the document, enter, turn the story into a comic, then click Generate LlamaGen. AI will read the document and create a comic based on its content. These are the most common ways to create comics with LlamaGen AI. Whether you're starting with a simple idea, using custom characters, uploading reference images, importing web content, or converting documents from Google Drive, you can quickly turn your stories into comics in just a few clicks.